am going to talk about shopping. Do you like shopping? Well, I personally enjoy shopping. There's something about browsing through the store shelves and trying on clothes that is both relaxing and fun. Shopping can also be therapeutic, especially when I'm feeling down. It's a great way to treat myself to something new and lift my mood. Have you ever spent too much money while shopping? Yes, I have. It's easy to get carried away, especially when I see something I really like. I've definitely splurged on a few items in the past, but I've learned to be more mindful of my spending and budget my shopping trips accordingly. How long do you usually shop for? That depends on the type of shopping I'm doing. If I'm just running to the store to grab a few items, I might only be shopping for 30 minutes. But if I'm going on a big shopping spree, I could easily spend a few hours in the mall. How much do you shop online? I do a fair amount of online shopping, especially for things like books, electronics, and home goods. It's convenient and I can usually find better deals online than in stores. Plus, I don't have to worry about leaving my house or dealing with crowds. Think about an expensive thing that you bought. One of the most expensive things I've ever bought was a high-end laptop. I use it for work and needed a reliable, powerful machine. It was a big investment, but it was worth it in the end because it has made my work much easier and more efficient. Do you prefer to shop alone or with other people? It really depends on the occasion. If I'm shopping for something specific, I prefer to shop alone so I can focus and not get distracted. But if I'm shopping for fun, I like to bring a friend or family member along. It's always more fun to shop with someone else. Who does the grocery shopping in your household? That would be me. I usually do the grocery shopping once a week and make a list of everything we need. I find it to be a chore, but it's also a necessary task to make sure we have food in the house. Well, that's my take on shopping. Whether it's for necessities or just for fun, it's always an enjoyable experience for me.
Now I am going to talk about traveling. Traveling is a wonderful experience that can broaden our horizons, challenge our beliefs, and offer a fresh perspective on life. It provides a break from the routine and monotony of daily life and can be an opportunity to discover new cultures, meet new people, and create memories that will last a lifetime. There are many different types of travel, each with its own unique benefits and challenges. For example, solo travel can be incredibly empowering and liberating, but it also requires a high degree of self-reliance and independence. Group travel can provide a sense of safety and support, but it also involves navigating the dynamics of a larger group and balancing the desires of different individuals. One of the most appealing aspects of travel is the opportunity to experience new cultures and ways of life. This can include trying new foods, learning about local history and customs, and immersing oneself in the local environment. For many people, the experience of traveling is enriching and life-changing, providing a newfound appreciation for the world and its diverse cultures. When it comes to planning a trip, there are many different factors to consider. Budget is often one of the most important considerations, as travel can be expensive. However, there are ways to minimize costs, such as booking in advance, choosing budget-friendly accommodations, and avoiding peak travel times. Another important factor to consider when planning a trip is the destination. Some people prefer to visit familiar and well-trodden destinations, while others are drawn to off-the-beaten-path locations that offer a unique and authentic travel experience. Some popular destinations include cities like Paris, London, and New York, while others prefer to explore remote and exotic locations like the Amazon rainforest, the Galapagos Islands, or the deserts of Morocco. Once the destination is chosen, the next step is to decide how to get there. Some people prefer to fly, while others prefer to take a road trip, take a train, or go on a cruise. The method of travel will depend on a number of factors, including the distance to be covered, the budget, and the amount of time available. When traveling, it is important to be prepared for unexpected events and to have a plan in place in case of an emergency. This can include taking out travel insurance, having a copy of important documents, and carrying a mobile phone or other means of communication. It is also important to be respectful of local customs and laws, and to be mindful of one's impact on the environment. Finally, the key to a successful and enjoyable travel experience is to be open-minded, flexible, and willing to embrace new experiences. Whether it is trying new foods, exploring unfamiliar landscapes, or engaging with local people, travel provides a unique opportunity to learn, grow, and broaden our perspectives. In conclusion, travel is a wonderful opportunity to broaden our horizons, challenge our beliefs, and create memories that will last a lifetime. With careful planning and a willingness to embrace new experiences, travel can be a rich and enriching experience for anyone. Whether you are a seasoned traveler or a first-time adventurer, the world is full of fascinating destinations, cultures, and people waiting to be discovered.
Now I am going to talk about holidays. Holidays are a time for rest, relaxation, and rejuvenation. They are a break from the monotony of daily life and an opportunity to escape to new and exciting places. Whether you prefer sun-kissed beaches, rugged mountains, bustling cities, or tranquil countryside, there is a holiday destination to suit everyone. One of the best things about holidays is that they offer a chance to disconnect from the pressures of work and technology. In our fast-paced, connected world, it can be easy to feel overwhelmed and stressed. Holidays give us the time and space to switch off and recharge our batteries. One of the most popular holiday destinations is the beach. There is something undeniably irresistible about the sound of waves crashing on the shore, the warmth of the sun, and the feel of sand between your toes. Whether you want to simply relax and soak up the sun, or engage in water sports such as surfing or snorkeling, a beach holiday has something for everyone. For those who prefer a more active holiday, there are plenty of options available. Hiking and trekking holidays in the mountains offer breathtaking scenery, physical challenge, and a chance to connect with nature. Whether you are a seasoned hiker or a beginner, there are trails to suit all levels of fitness and experience. For those who prefer the hustle and bustle of city life, there are plenty of exciting cities to explore. From the bright lights of New York to the charm of Paris, there is a city to suit every taste. These holidays are a great opportunity to immerse yourself in new cultures, try new foods, and experience new ways of life. Finally, if you are looking for a quiet and peaceful holiday, there are many options available in the countryside. Whether you prefer the rolling hills of England, the vineyards of France, or the countryside of Italy, there is something for everyone. These holidays offer a chance to escape the noise and stress of city life, and connect with nature in a more relaxed and peaceful setting. In conclusion, holidays are an essential part of life. They offer a chance to disconnect from the pressures of daily life, explore new places, and create memories that will last a lifetime. Whether you prefer a beach holiday, an active holiday, a city break, or a peaceful retreat, there is a holiday destination to suit everyone. So why wait? Book your holiday today and start making memories that will last a lifetime.
Now I am going to talk about reading. Reading is an important skill that helps people acquire knowledge, improve vocabulary and comprehension, and broaden their perspectives. It is also a great way to relax and unwind. There are many different types of reading materials, including books, newspapers, magazines, and online articles. Each of these has its own unique style, tone, and content, which can offer different benefits to the reader. Books are a classic form of reading material that have been popular for centuries. They come in many genres, including fiction, non-fiction, biographies, and historical books. Reading books can help people learn about new ideas and cultures, improve their imagination and creativity, and develop their critical thinking skills. Newspapers are a source of current information and events, and can be a great way to stay informed about local, national, and international news. They are also a great source of information about politics, business, and sports. Regularly reading newspapers can help people develop their awareness of the world around them, and improve their understanding of important issues. Magazines are a more specialized form of reading material and are often focused on specific topics such as fashion, health, travel, or technology. They offer a quick and easy way to stay up to date on trends and developments in a particular field, and can be a great source of inspiration for new ideas and projects. Online articles are a more recent form of reading material that has become increasingly popular in recent years. They are easily accessible from anywhere in the world and offer a wealth of information on a wide range of topics. They can be a great way to stay informed about new developments in different fields and to connect with others who share your interests. In conclusion, reading is a valuable and enjoyable activity that can enrich our lives in many ways. Whether you prefer books, newspapers, magazines, or online articles, there is a type of reading material that is perfect for everyone. So, make time to read regularly and discover the many benefits that it can bring to your life.
Now I would like to talk about my own city. My city is a bustling metropolis located in the heart of the country. It is a hub for business, commerce, and culture, attracting millions of visitors every year. The city is home to a diverse population of people from all walks of life, making it a melting pot of cultures and traditions. One of the most notable features of my city is its rich history. The city was founded over 1,000 years ago and has been through many significant events that have shaped its growth and development. From the days of ancient civilizations to the modern era, my city has always been a center of commerce and innovation. The city is also known for its stunning architecture and iconic landmarks. The city's skyline is dotted with towering skyscrapers, stunning cathedrals, and historic monuments, making it a true marvel to behold. The city's public transportation system is also one of the best in the world, making it easy for visitors to explore all the sights and sounds the city has to offer. Another great thing about my city is its thriving arts and culture scene. The city is home to numerous museums, theaters, and music venues, as well as a host of festivals and events throughout the year. From classical concerts to contemporary art exhibitions, there is always something exciting happening in my city. Of course, no discussion of my city would be complete without mentioning its incredible food scene. The city is renowned for its delicious cuisine, which ranges from street food to high-end dining experiences. Whether you're in the mood for a quick snack or a 5-star meal, my city has something to satisfy every craving. In conclusion, my city is truly a unique and exciting place to visit. With its rich history, stunning architecture, thriving arts and culture scene, and delicious cuisine, there is something for everyone to enjoy. So if you ever have the opportunity to visit, I highly recommend it. Thank you for listening.